Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eboh G, in case you don't know.
Oh my mate, hey, you made a permanent home.
Ladies and gentlemen, I know we already know this face, but for those that do not know, this is George Chigozie, aka Eboh G of Eboh Media. He's literally the founder of Eboh Media and one of the realest in the game.
One of the worst thing I hate while traveling is shitting on a plane. So I rather do it first, then get to the plane.
I told you guys, I told you that he was one of the realest in the game. He was super talented. He was a man loved and admired by so many people. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a major part of Eboh's life, okay? When he was alive, of course, he had so many parts, like his wife, his son, which you're going to see in this video, but this video is not about them. This video is about someone that shared a lot with Eboh and someone that Eboh gave a special gift before he passed, an everlasting gift. You're going to see all of that in this video, so sit back and relax as I introduce you guys to Asha.
Perfect rooftop shooting from a mall in the park.
Yeah, for a professional shot.
Yeah, I'm trying to be a professional photographer, so yeah, we'll see. And did you see that? Yeah.
I will always love you how I do.
And the journey began like this.
Eboh and Asha actually started off so many years ago as friends, but they did not end up as friends, you guys, and that's the most interesting part of this video. Eboh and Asha have traveled the world together. They literally were like rice and stew. There was hardly a time where you would see one and not see the other. Most times in most of Eboh's videos, Asha is backstage. He's literally always behind the scenes, as you can see. But Eboh kept this part of his life private, as this part of his life was quite precious. Eboh and Asha are the real definition of boys to men, because they were literally kids when their journey began, and then Eboh became a dad. Oh my God, look at how cute they are. You're going to see more of them as we go, okay? And all through the journey, Asha was always by his side. You guys check on Asha, check on him, because I don't know how he's coping with Eboh's death. Asha is not the same. A part of him, like something has left him, and that part cannot be replaced anymore, unfortunately. Check on him if you can, in all honesty, because he was the one that did everything. He was always at the mortuary visiting Eboh. He was the one that did the whole burial. Like, oh my God, check up on him. Well, that's not what this video is about. I just wanted to show you guys the journey. I wanted to show you guys how close Eboh and Asha were and how long it has been, okay? This beautiful relationship continued, and then not too long ago, Eboh decided to seal it up by handing over a precious gift to his friend. His sister. Eboh handed his sister to his best friend. Asha considers this the most precious gift that he has ever received in his life, and he received it from his friend, and that made them turn into in-laws and no longer friends. They became family. One thing that was also very unique about Eboh and Asha was the fact that they shared almost the same opinions on social issues. Watch this.
Forget APC, PDP or anything.
We are not affiliated to any.
But if you
I've
dare,
never even voted in
if you
Nigeria.
dare, you dare against a good government. Asha, can I send that worker now?
Worker, if you want to, because of your pocket or because of 2,000 naira or because of whatsoever benefit you are getting from this murderous regime, nah, if you fail to speak up that Nigeria is not working, if you fail to acknowledge that things are not going the way it should go, nah, worker,
Okay.
you really have to start now. The time is now. Why I'm saying people has to go to history so that you will choose your fight. I have chosen mine, he has chosen his.
So guys, when next you see Asha on this channel, just know that he's not some stranger trying to, front as Eboh. He is a major part of our founder's life, and this channel is as important to him as it is Eboh. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all.
Vlog has come to an end, guys. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this vlog. If you did, you already know what to do. Smash the like button below, share with your family and friends, and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. And by the way, I want to use this opportunity to thank every one of you who have been part of this channel from onset. And also I want to use this opportunity to thank some of you who are new in this channel. You're highly welcome. Stay tuned in this channel, and I will see you when next time I upload. Got it?